Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new visitor, I'm Jacqueline Marie. And for the ones who have been subscribed for a while, you know that fall and Halloween are one of my favorite times to decorate my home. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the new things that I bought for my new fall decor in my new home in Florida. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm sitting down in this small stool and I am in my home office and have a big mess in here. So I close the door so my husband doesn't see the mess. So in here I keep all my decorations, and also I film and edit all my videos that you see. So I'm going to start with some of the decor that I got at Amazon and at Michael's. So as you know, I have a very cute porch. So I decided to buy these hats that they hang over the ceiling to hang them this year in my porch. So I think it's going to look very, very cute. Also, I bought these spiders, paper spiders at IKEA, and I think I'm going to hang them together with the Halloween hats, the witch hats, and I think it's going to look adorable. And also, I have some columns on my porch, and I'm planning to wrap this beautiful garland that I got at Michael's all around. So this I'm going to start in fall, and then usually I build up into Halloween. I try to decorate starting fall and then adding more to complement until I get to Halloween. So these things are for on top of my door, and also that column that I have in the porch. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do it. It's the first time that I'm going to decorate this home because we just moved last August. Also, other thing that I got for the porch is this beautiful rug from Costal. This was a great deal and it's so adorable. I got them one with the ghosts, but they also have pumpkins and I think it's adorable. So this I'm going to use it for Halloween. But in the meantime, I got this rug at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to use it for a doormat on my porch together with the other fall decor that I'm going to use. I love the plaid. I think is trending, the checker pattern. I love it. It's neutral enough that I can use it in the fall, but also I can use it during other seasons of the year. So I love this kind of rug, doormat, and I can build it up. So I'm planning to put this one and layer it with this one on top like this. So I think it's going to look very, very cute. The contrast between the plaid and the black of the ghost white. So what do you think? I think it's going to look adorable. So moving on, let's go and check other things that I bought. Let me put all this on this side. Also at Amazon, I got this beautiful garland that I'm planning to use it inside. I don't know exactly when I'm going to use it, but it has this beautiful burgundy color that I really love. Let me move a little bit to the front so you can see it. I really love this garland, and I think it was trending. So I don't know if I'm going to put it. I have a big mirror on my living room, so I think I might layer it around the mirror, or maybe I can put it in the foyer. I have a beautiful staircase in the foyer. The next item that I got, and I found this one at Home Goods, is this very cute little ghost, and it has a light. So I'm very excited to use this one this year. I think I'm going to be decorating with a kind of witch's hat, ghost, something kind of neutral color, black, whites, browns, and a little bit of orange for the fall. So this one will complement really well on my Halloween decor this year with the other Halloween stuff that I have from previous years. Another item that I got for fall at IKEA was this lovely wreath. I love the colors. It's a very simple wreath, but you can also build it up and embellish it. You can put more decorations and also a bow, and it will look really nice. And also you can personalize it that way. This was very affordable. I cannot remember how much I paid for it. Let me see if I have the price here. but it was very affordable. I think it was less than $10. I'm not sure, but it has those yellows, maroons, orange color um, from the fall colors of New England that I used to live in Massachusetts last year. So this is very, very pretty. So I'm planning to use that one together with these ones, this garland that I show you a minute ago. So I think that will complement really nicely. I think my house is painted in white color, so I think these colors are going to really pop, and I'm looking forward to decorating with these colors because I think the house is going to look very beautiful. So moving on, let me show you other items that I got. I got these beautiful candles at IKEA. I love the mustard color. I think I'm going to make a nice vignette and a flower arrangement for my dining room table. And I can use it either on my dining room table or in my hutch. So I think I love it. I love this swirl. I have some black candles sticks that I got at Amazon last year. So I think this will look very pretty together with the flower arrangement that I'm planning. I'm thinking, I'm kind of brainstorming how I'm going to do my flower arrangement this year for the table. So I think these are very pretty, and they're from IKEA. And by the way, nothing in this haul is being sponsored. I bought everything with my own money. Other item that I got at IKEA, if you saw my IKEA shop with me yesterday's video, is these very cute kitchen towels. They're stripes and also a plaid, the checker pattern. I love that orangey maroon color. I really like how they look, and I think it's going to look very nice on my beige kitchen. So I love it. So other candlestick that I bought, I got these ones at Michael's. They were so cute. They're pumpkin stacks on top of each other, and I think it was very, very cute. These are more orangey. The other ones are more mustardy color, but I really like these ones. So I don't know if I'm going to put these ones in the kitchen or maybe in the dining room or perhaps living room. So I have to kind of juggle around, think, and brainstorm how I'm going to decorate. And yesterday I went to Kirkland's because they had a sale, and all their candles were like, the majority of the candles were like $6.99, and I bought this one. It's the bobbin for apples. It's apple spice butter scented candle, and it smells so delicious. I wish that you can smell it. It's so good. I cannot wait to use it. So this one was $6.99, which is a good value because it's a big candle. Another item that I bought at IKEA was this very cute and lovely bunch of flowers. I love the color. It has some ferns that are kind of turning into like the brown colors, and I love the contrast of this burgundy and this kind of like pinkish brownish, and I love the little marguerite flowers. So I think this one we can put it in a pitcher or a small vase just like that. It's beautiful. So I think I like the color, so it's very nice. So other things that I bought at IKEA was these jack-o'-lanterns that are adorable. I think Pottery Barn has the bigger size of these ones for a lot of money. These ones were very affordable. So they're black outside and orange inside. So they're very, very cute. I love them. These ones, there was not too much inventory, so I think they were selling pretty fast. But I really like them, how they're going to look. I think I'm going to put them either in my kitchen or in my dining room hutch. So I think I'm kind of looking forward. I think they also can be stacked. And that I'm looking, they can be stacked like that. So I think that is a very pretty look also. Another item that I got, and I think it was either Hobby Lobby or Walmart or maybe the dollar store. I think this was from the dollar store. Is the gel clings. I always love decorating with gel clings. And in this new house, I have a side window next to the front door. So I'm planning to put these ones. And at night, when I turn the light on, they look very pretty, and I love the kaleidoscope of colors. So this is very cute, and this also is very inexpensive. I think it was from the dollar store, and so they're $1.25. Other thing that I got, this one was Home Goods. It's this other sign for Halloween. I think I'm planning to use this one in my kitchen, and I love the black and white and kind of vintage, look. And I like the frame. It's very nice. So I think this will look lovely together with the jack-o'-lanterns and all the black and white and the colors from fall. So this is very cute. Another item that I bought at Costco was this very cute pillow. I really love it. It's very soft. They had the ghost and the pumpkins. So I decided to pick the pumpkin to give a pop. I'm planning to put this one in my living room, and I have a Pottery Barn sofa that is slip cover in white, and also I have a slider chair that also has a white slip cover, so I think this color will look great. And for fall, one trick, I can put the pillow like this and it looks like fall, and for Halloween I turn it this way and it's a jack-o'-lantern. So that's kind of like a trick that you can use one pillow for two purposes. So I usually do that. I have a couple of items that I do that. And so then now we're moving to Hobby Lobby. At Hobby Lobby, I got a few things the other day. I got this very cute sign that I might use it for the kitchen. It's really, really cute. It says, "But I love fall most of all." It's very cute. This one was $9.99. And I really like the colors, the burgundy and the browns and orangey. Those kind of like the colors that I tend to use this fall to decorate my home. So I think they're beautiful. That was very affordable. Other thing that caught my eye at Hobby Lobby, it was this set of pumpkins. It's kind of like a foamy and you assemble them. So they have like polka dots and a checker and plaid, and I think they're going to look very, very cute. I think it was very inexpensive. It was only $5.99 and it was 40% off when I bought it. And other thing that I bought, I like usually to buy things that are also useful, not just decorative. I bought these cute spatulas at Hobby Lobby. It says "Hello Fall," and they have some pumpkins. So I think this is good when you are baking or cooking in the fall. You can put them on display, and it's decorative, but at the same time, they're functional. And the last thing that I bought at Hobby Lobby was these decorative toothpicks that I can put them on a little container in the kitchen, and I accessorize. And at the same time, if you're having, a little party or for eating, you can use this also. It's also functional, but they're very cute. And I love the colors green, orange, and yellow. So I think they're very, very cute. I went the other day to Cracker Barrel, and I always love the country store. It's been a couple of years, I think a while, since we haven't been to Cracker Barrel. So with all the fuss of Cracker Barrel, changing the name and everything, my husband and I said, let's go for lunch. So I went to lunch, and they had a very cute display of Halloween decor there. So I bought this very cute kitchen towel that is a cat with the pompons. I really love it. It's so cute. And it was pretty inexpensive. This was only $8.99. So I really like how it looks. So again, it has the black that I'm going to use with the orange accent. So, and I love the things that I got at the Cracker Barrel were these very cute salt and pepper shakers. This is the vampire, and this is the jack-o'-lantern. I thought that they were so adorable, and they were only 99 cents. So I think they're going to look cute in my kitchen. And last but not least, I got this very cute pumpkin pie candle at Cracker Barrel. I think this will look great in a tiered tray on a little stand in the kitchen. So my friends, this is it for now. I hope that you enjoy coming along with me today to look at all the very cute and cozy fall decor. And if you're a new visitor, I would love that you join my community by subscribing and, by very important, clicking that notification bell so you will not miss any of the videos. Thank you so much for watching the video, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I would love that you leave a comment. I love hearing from you. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Sea Green Coastal Cottage. See you next time.